Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you set up your Tacx Flow Smart Trainer. First, carefully unpack all the components from the box. You should find the main frame, the resistance unit, a quick release skewer, the front wheel support, and the power adapter. Take a moment to identify each part and ensure everything is present. This initial step is crucial to ensure a smooth setup process and that you have all the necessary items ready to go. Next, let's assemble the trainer. Begin by attaching the resistance unit to the main frame using the provided bolts and tools. Make sure it's securely fastened. Then, replace your bike's rear wheel quick release with the one supplied by Tacx. Carefully mount your bike onto the trainer, ensuring the skewer is properly seated in the trainer's clamps. Double-check that your bike is stable and level before proceeding. Now, it's time for power and calibration. Connect the power adapter to the resistance unit and then plug it into a wall outlet. Once powered, download the Tacx training app or your preferred compatible third-party cycling application. Within the app, you'll need to perform a spin-down calibration. This essential step ensures accurate power readings and a realistic riding experience, so don't skip it. For your first ride, ensure your bike's tire pressure is at the recommended level, typically between 100 and 120 psi, for optimal grip and reduced wear. Start with a short, easy ride to get accustomed to the trainer's feel and resistance. Remember to regularly clean the roller and the tire contact area to maintain peak performance and extend the life of your equipment. Enjoy your indoor cycling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.